pigmentation or pigmentary disorders of the skin is a very common problem faced by clients especially in South India, because we all belong to dark skin. So the basic reason why we develop skin pigmentation is because of hyperactivity of a cell called melanocyte, which is present in your base layer of the upper skin. So the skin has two layers, an upper skin and a lower skin, epidermis and dermis. The lower layer of the epidermis contains a cell called melanocytes. When the melanocytes are hyperactive, they produce, you can consider it like pockets containing the pigment called melanin. And these melanin, when they accumulate in one cell, then that cell becomes colored. So an accumulation of colored cell will give rise to the spots and pigments, tans, all of this, freckles, all of these are because of these. So when we are trying to treat any pigmentary disorder, it's very important that we reduce the activity of melanocytes, because unless you treat this, the pigmentary problem will recur, and they recur very soon. So to correct a pigmentary disorder, you might need some oral supplements in terms of products, medications or supplements that will control this activity of the melanocytes and reduce this or block this pathway that produces melanin. So vitamin C, certain antioxidants, vitamin E, all of this helps in a different level to reduce this activity. After the activity is reduced, when someone presents with a pigmentary problem, we need to remove these cells which are already loaded with melanin. So in this process, the procedures like microdermabrasion or a medium depth chemical peels or a controlled depth peel or laser, either of these procedures in combinations or standalone procedure will help depending on the skin. But if you keep just repeating the chemical peel again and again without rebuilding your skin, the skin tends to become thin, and as you age, they start developing wrinkles and the texture is lost, they appear dry and things like that. So always when a skin pigmentation correction treatment is aimed, it needs to be worked with multiple modalities. You need some oral supplements, you need some in-clinic procedures, and definitely you need maintenance creams, because after we remove the cells which are already loaded with pigment and we give you some supplements temporarily to control the activity of melanocytes, if you stop maintaining them and the stimulus which actually induce the activity of melanocyte continues, like the blue light that you're exposed to regularly from your smartphones, laptops, LED screens, all big screens, various forms of lights, etc., then the melanocyte is going to get reactivated and the whole process is going to repeat again. So unlike what people think, that you go to a clinic and there is one treatment you take for a few weeks or few months and your skin can remain permanently 2 shades or 3 shades lighter, that's a myth. This is wrong statement. There are plenty of procedures available which can remove a tan or a pigmentary disorder or any pigmentary problem that you have encountered as you grow, that can be reversed, but you need to maintain whatever reversal or the results that are achieved. So it's important that you follow the maintenance protocol that is prescribed by your physician.